All right, hello and welcome to another traveling Costa Rica video here on YouTube. Today we're checking out Playas del Coco, the boardwalk right down by the beach in this popular tourist town right outside the Liberia International Airport, about 45 minutes drive. We're going to be doing a quick walk of the boardwalk here to see all the restaurants on the beach and some of the cool stuff down at the other end. This video is a response video. We got a comment from one of the last videos, the last boardwalk we did here. It was kind of loud. There was a big event going on. It was a holiday. Hard to hear, hard to see what it looked like. So we'll do another one. If this is your first time joining us, be sure to like this video, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Share this video with somebody coming to Costa Rica. And for sure, leave us a comment. But before we do the walk, let's take the drone up and see what this looks like from the sky. And so just to give you a bit of lay of land here, down at that end of the beach, there's a bunch of accommodations. That area down there is called Las Palmas. And right here, there's a new dock that they've put in. It's pretty cool. It's a great place to hang out and watch sunset. So we're going to take a walk down the beach. At the other end of the beach down there, we've done a video down there. That's going towards Playa Ocotal. So just on the backside of this mountain right here, there's another beach called Gringo, Playa Gringo. Then there's another beach, very popular beach with black sand, great for snorkeling over there, called Playa Ocotal. Now over here, there's a bunch of restaurants on the beach. They're just playing music kind of loud here, so I'm gonna kind of divert around it. You can see it's a Monday right now. It's actually a holiday here in Costa Rica, so not a lot of things are open. So there's probably actually more people on the beach because it is a bit of a holiday. Some things are open today, like restaurants. Now it is after high season, so high season just ended. And I've talked to some people who own properties here in Playas del Coco, and they say that there's up to an 80% reduction in the number of travelers coming through Playas del Coco right about now. So keep that in mind. It's going to reflect the price, right? You're going to pay a lot for accommodations in Playas del Coco during the high season, especially around Christmas. But if you decide to come when it's summer in North America, you'll pay a bit less. So here's a big tree here. Pretty cool spot. Check out. Now here's all the restaurants down along the beach you can choose from. I've eaten at a few of these. They're pretty good. Pretty convenient too to spend some time at the beach. There's cool statues you can see, take a picture. Now there's parking right down here at the beach. Just have to pay the watchy people. They're people wearing little safety vests who are allegedly officials of the parking. That's cool. So here's kind of the middle of the beach right here. See, it gives you a great view, great place to hang out. You'll see people loading up on these little boats here. I'll zoom in on that. So if you're going to go out to one of the bigger boats like the catamarans or whatever, you'll usually obviously take these little boats out there. And sometimes even I've seen a really big cruise ship that parks here in Playas del Coco, and I've been told it's the National Geographic's cruise. So that's pretty cool. Now there's people down here at the beach selling bracelets and all kinds of stuff. You can even buy hammocks. Down these roads here, there's a soda right here that's really good. There's a coffee shop right there, Cafe Corazon. It's pretty good. Hey, there's a gym here. I've never used it, but you can work out if you want. So now coming down to this end of the beach, there's less restaurants, but a lot of times people will be playing their music regardless. But I have seen people set up tents down here and just hang out for the entire day. And as you start getting further and further in the day, there will be vendors who sell chicken, skewers of chicken, skewers of pork, and these treats here, sugar on ice, flavored sugar ice. I don't know what it's called. If you know what it's called, let me know. This is cool. There's a basketball court here. There's actually a soccer field right here too. The kids will play soccer on. And there's a little hotel right tucked in behind this place here. So if you have a basketball, you can come down here, and I've seen people just play pickup games, different groups of people, adults versus kids, stuff like that. It's pretty cool. And there is a skate park down here too. Right beside the kangaroo. If you're looking for the skate park, try to find the kangaroo. Now, I can't tell you much about doing this stuff. I'm too rigid to do skateboarding. But I see a lot of kids doing it. They'll take their bikes on here and stuff like that. There's a chin-up bar right there. Do a little workout while you're down at the beach here. There's Hotel M&M right over there, right by the beach. It seems pretty popular every time I'm down here. It's usually packed. Now down at this end, there's another little dog-ish situation. There's good shade here. A lot of people park here, not park their car, they park their chairs there and enjoy their day at Coco right under there. And now here we are at the other end. This is where the boardwalk essentially ends. You can continue walking, of course. You can even get over to another little beach right over there. You can go fishing right on the shore here. I think sunrise and sundown are the best times for that, but people do pull fish out of the water right here in Coco. So I hope you enjoyed that walking tour of the boardwalk in Playas del Coco. Once again, be sure to like this video, hit subscribe right here on YouTube, leave us a comment. Hope to see you soon here during your trip. Bye now.